Fuck.
Pull up on a nigga block down doing donuts. That was hard.
What the fuck is going on?
Yo, bitch is super nasty.
Damn.
Yo, bitch is
I
super
knew I
nasty.
should have went on that vacation.
What are you talking about? This is the straws they giving us.
I hope I ain't coming down with that bullshit. I don't know what to do. Fuck. Gotta look around. Probably need to go smoke.